of you have been dropping comments on my videos, sending me DMs and asking about Cheelee withdrawals and saying that, oh, Mandy, I've been trying to withdraw my money from Cheelee, but it's not going through. The money I will withdraw, I will not receive it in my account, and the money is still going to be there on my Cheelee account. Well, I want to let you know that Cheelee withdrawal for now is just to Opay and Palmpay, right? For some time, they were actually having issues with withdrawal. It wasn't going through. Then at some point, they rectified it. It was going through. Later, it was no longer going through, right? And now they rectified it again. And now it is just for Opay and Palmpay, okay? So if you want to withdraw your money from Cheelee, make sure you are withdrawing to either Opay or Palmpay. Now, the process on how to do it, because you're not going to do it the same way you've been doing it before. Do you understand? You need to calm down. You're not going to do it the same way you've been doing it before that, if you watched my last tutorial about it, I showed you guys how to withdraw. That method is not how you're going to do it. Now, I've done a screen recording to show you how to withdraw on Cheelee now to just Opay and Palmpay. So if you don't have Opay and Palmpay, you might want to go and open an account with Opay or Palmpay. It's very, very easy and straightforward, right? I think. So, and I think almost everybody has Opay, right? If you don't have, Shaga open. Opay or Palmpay. So watch the video. I'm going to attach the screen recording here. Watch the video and go and withdraw, okay? Opay, Palmpay. Just follow the steps in that video. It's very, very easy and straightforward, and you're going to get your money instantly. So let me show you how to withdraw your money from Cheelee to either Opay or Palmpay. So the first thing, you click on the N, then you click on wallets. So when you click on wallets, you click on the Cheelee. You're going to see Cheelee there, like your normal way you withdraw on a normal day. So when you click on Cheelee, you're going to see this currency. You change your currency, you change it to NGN, okay? So when you change your currency to NGN, you click on that bank transfer, you change it to Opay. If you want to use Palmpay, change it to Palmpay. And then click on Max to, say that you want to withdraw your money. The normal process. Then when you're done with that, make sure that the bank transfer is not on bank transfer. Confirm and make sure it's Opay. You understand? If you want to use Opay, use Opay. If you want to use Palmpay, make sure confirm it very well that is Opay or Palmpay that is there, depending on the one you want to use. Okay. So when you've confirmed everything, you click on that confirm and you click on confirm again for the second time, and then it will bring you to this page where you then fill your details. So now when you want to fill your details, you fill your account number, you fill your Opay account number or your Palmpay account number, depending on the one that you want to use. Do you understand? You put your email address, like you put all your details, your first name, your last name, your phone number. You put every other detail that you want to put normally, okay? So when you've put all the details you want to put, you see this place that says, please select a bank. So you're going to see this first one, ABSA, ABSA. That's the bank you're going to choose. Did you see that? ABSA. That's the bank you're going to choose. So once you choose that, you click on continue payouts. Okay, don't forget, choose this ABSA. You would have chosen either Palmpay or Opay in that first place that I explained. So the moment you click on that continue payouts, that's it. You understand? The money it will enter your account from there instantly. Do you understand? So this is how you're going to withdraw to your Opay. So just follow these simple steps, these simple instructions, and you're not going to have any issues. Like I just did it now, and I just figured, okay, you know what, let me just show you guys how to do it as well. So I received the money instantly in my Opay, okay? Because I used Opay. If it's Palmpay you want to use, no, like I use Palmpay. You can see that my this thing now is 0. The money has entered. I've already received the alerts. So right now, that is the current update I have for you guys, Opay and Palmpay. I tried it, it worked. And if you guys check the screen recording, you're going to see it. So that's that for that. And if you have any questions regarding Cheelee, feel free to drop them in the comment section. And I'll do my best to answer as many questions as I get. And some people have been complaining to me about Cheelee that, they read some reviews about Cheelee. It's like Cheelee is a scam. It's like Cheelee is not good. Well, personally, from my own experience, I don't think Cheelee is a scam because I have been earning from it. Like I've been on Cheelee now, I think 2 months, because I've bought 2 glasses. I bought the first glass in my first month. I bought the second glass in my second month. So that's 2 months. And I don't have any bad experience with Cheelee, okay? I think the problem is that some of you are not so patient. You do things gra gra gra. But let it not look like I want to blame you guys. No, let it look like I want to blame you guys. I'll do a video, another video, and explain some things I discovered about Cheelee that you can actually take notes of to avoid your accounts getting banned. Do you understand? To avoid some of the things that make some of you say Cheelee is a scam. Do you understand? I'm going to make that video. It's going to be in another video. This one is just to address the withdrawal issue. I just needed to really, chip that in a little bit so that you guys know that that video is actually coming. So you might want to subscribe to this channel if you've not yet subscribed. Tap on the subscribe button, subscribe, tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications for all my videos so that when I drop that particular video, YouTube is going to notify you. YouTube is going to notify you and you're going to be the first to know and you are not going to miss that particular video, okay? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If it gets the algorithm to show it to more people like you looking for how to withdraw their money on Cheelee. Honestly, a lot of people are like, I can't withdraw my money. I can't withdraw what's going on. Like this video. If you like the video, the algorithm will show it to people like that because the algorithm will know that, okay, this video is actually valuable and helping people. Do you understand? And as well, share the video if you actually have friends, you know people that should see this video. Tap on that share button, copy the link and share to them or share to WhatsApp or your WhatsApp groups and all those stuff. Share to them, let them watch and learn so that they get to know how to also withdraw their money from Cheelee. And I think that's that for now. Until next time when I come your way again, keep being amazing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Remember, subscribe, tap on the bell icon, turn on post notifications for all my videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.